Hey guys, what's going on? We're over here in Broadmoor and we're doing a little drain job. Broadmoor is a lot like a lot of other neighborhoods here in town, Highland and South Highland. I know 12 Oaks is pretty bad about this, but the areas have gotten to where they're so flat and they're so developed that sometimes you don't have a reasonable direction or a place to send your water. Just like at the house we're at right now, they have a drainage issue, but there's not enough fall to go to the street. There's really nowhere to grab the water. There's a lot of concrete. There's a lot of things going on, and there's nowhere to send the water. Well, that doesn't mean that, you know, that there aren't water issues. So one thing that a lot of people aren't aware of is you actually can take a barrel, much like this right here. It requires a lot of work because you can see an arrow in here. He's having to dig a hole, but what we actually do is that you can dig this hole and you bury this barrel, right? And inside of this barrel is going to be a pump, a submersible pump. You set all of your drains throughout your yard and you have them all end in this barrel. Attached to this barrel is also going to be a hard pipe. And what you can see is that now you can have this hard pipe go all the way out to the street. So all of your water, all of your drains are going to come into this barrel. It's going to activate the pump once it fills up a certain amount, and then that pump is going to pump it through this hard pipe out to the street. It's going to get rid of your water. So anyway, it's a pretty cool thing. It's a pretty labor-intensive drain to put in. It's not super hard to put in. It just requires several steps. So anyway, if you got any questions, need any help, let us know.